The Antichrist's secret plan revealed, what the Bible warns you about. What if the most dangerous man in human history is already preparing his plan? You can see the signs today. 2 Thessalonians 2-3-4 KJV. Let no man deceive you by any means, for that day shall not come, except there come a falling away first, and that man of sin be revealed, the son of perdition, who opposes and exalteth himself above all that is called God. The Antichrist's plan begins with deception and a falling away from God. Are you ready to discern the lies before it's too late? Could world leaders unknowingly be part of the Antichrist's hidden agenda? Revelation 13:2-1-2 KJV. And I stood upon the sand of the sea, and saw a beast rise up, and the dragon gave him his power, and his seat, and great authority. The Antichrist will rise to global power with the support of Satan. Could current political alliances and global agendas be paving the way for him? The Antichrist's secret plan relies on controlling the economy and wealth of the world. Revelation 13:16-17 KJV. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark, that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark. Economic control is central to his strategy. Could digital currencies, global trade systems, and economic crises be part of this prophecy? Spiritual deception is at the heart of the Antichrist's secret plan. Will you be fooled? 2 Corinthians 11:13-15 KJV. For such are false apostles, deceitful workers, transforming themselves into the apostles of Christ, and no marvel. For Satan himself is transformed into an angel of light. Matthew 24:24 KJV. For there shall arise false Christs and false prophets, and shall show great signs and wonders, insomuch that, if it were possible, they shall deceive the very elect. The Antichrist will use miracles and false teachings to deceive the masses. Could the miracles and signs in the world today be part of this deception? He plans to unite nations under a false peace. Don't be deceived. Daniel 9:27 KJV. And he shall confirm the covenant with many for 1 week, and in the midst of the week he shall cause the sacrifice and the oblation to cease. Revelation 17:12-13 KJV. And the 10 horns are 10 kings, which have received no kingdom as yet, but receive power as kings 1 hour with the beast. The Antichrist's plan includes treaties, alliances, and temporary peace to gain trust. Could international peace agreements today be paving the way for the ultimate deception? He will attack God's faithful and try to erase all true worship. Revelation 13:7 KJV. And it was given unto him to make war with the saints, and to overcome them, and power was given him over all kindreds, and tongues, and nations. Daniel 7:25 KJV. And he shall speak great words against the Most High, and think to change times and laws. Suppression of true believers is part of the Antichrist's secret strategy. Could attacks on religious freedom today be part of this prophecy unfolding? The Antichrist will claim divinity and demand worship, but it's all a trap. To Thessalonians 2-4 KJV. Who opposes and exalteth himself above all that is called God, or that is worshipped, so that he as God sitteth in the temple of God, showing himself that he is God. He will present himself as a godly figure to deceive billions. Are you prepared to discern false worship from true worship? The Antichrist's plan ends with global destruction, but Christ will return to stop him. Revelation 19:19-21 KJV. And I saw the beast, and the kings of the earth, and their armies. And the beast was taken, and with him the false prophet, and they were cast alive into a lake of fire burning with brimstone. Despite his cunning plan, the Antichrist will ultimately be defeated. This is why understanding his secret plan is urgent, so you won't be deceived. The Antichrist's secret plan is already in motion. Deception, economic control, political alliances, false worship, and persecution of the faithful. The Bible warns us to watch, pray, and remain faithful lest we fall into his trap.